Hello everyone, welcome to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha and today we are performing a general career reading for the year 2020 and our focus zodiac for today is Cancer. So if you or someone close to you belongs to Cancer zodiac, this video could be useful. Cancerians are very caring, protective and intuitive individuals. Since this zodiac is ruled by the planet Moon, some of you could be very sensitive and moody also. I have already drawn these 7 cards for you for a career and business reading. We are performing a horseshoe spread today to see how your career will shape up in the year's time. So these 7 cards are there. The first one, 9 of Swords, will depict your recent past. 8 of Pentacles shows your present. 7 card, that is a major arcana card. The Strength card shows your short-term future. 7 of Pentacles shows your present state of mind. The Death card is your external influences. The Moon shows your hopes and fears. And this 3 of Pentacles shows your long-term future. So let's start the reading. This card, 9 of Swords, shows that your recent past, you have been through a lot of stress and anxiety. Some of you had lost your jobs. Some of you had huge financial burden and you had a lot of commitments which you were unable to fulfill. Some of you who were into business, your business was stuck for some time. In your present, as I can see, this card, 8 of Pentacles shows that some of you are already too busy starting a new business. Also, few people I can see are studying. Some of you are quite focused and working really hard. This card, 7 of Pentacles, shows that you are already aware that you need to focus on your work as of now. This card also depicts that you need to have patience. You are on the right path. Don't be upset. This card, the Strength, shows that you are quite intuitive. You know that you can change the situation. This card is in a career or business reading. Just says that you need to believe in yourself. Do not let your emotions overpower you. You very soon will be having a control over your mind. Soon your mind and your body will attain a perfect balance. So continue working hard. This card, the Death card, shows that you are in a transition phase right now. You need to embrace change. Be open to change because it's for your own good. This card, the Moon, depicts your hopes and fears. It shows that some of you are quite confused about your goals. Some of you have already done investments without much market research. Something is hidden from you. I would suggest you to only trust your intuitions when it comes to your financial, career or a business matter. Take your own decision. This card, 3 of Pentacles, shows that you are about to receive your rewards within a year's time. With this card, we can also understand that some of you will get everything you have worked hard for. So you may get promoted, some of you will get better job and investment opportunities, but all this will come only if you work hard as of now. So keep working, you are on the right path. Overall, these cards in a career or business reading are a very good set of cards. To summarize, in your recent past, you had a lot of anxiety and had a financial burden which was troubling you. Presently, you are quite busy starting something new. You need to have patience, believe in yourself. You are going to grow financially. This is a transition phase. Accept the change. All your problems are temporary. Soon you will be out of it. Only trust your intuitions and no third party. You are about to receive recognition, rewards and financial success. Keep working hard. With this, we have reached the end of this session. Thank you for joining and I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.